आपको
आना पड़
ऊपर में जो
हाँ
जो को भागू तो बड़ा गंदा ना ना हमारे घर वाले मजा पड़ी है ले ले चल एक खिड़की तो नीचे रखता था एक तो काम कर
चला कर गाड़ी पर देखे तो पास बहुत आए
अब यहाँ तो यहाँ बुक है ना उससे तो देख भाई कुछ टर्न सामने आओ तो नहीं आ सुना दे हाँ वो फैन जी है चल अरे माँ ही कौन लोग काम करे दो वालों को नहीं उठा ले
तुम कहीं ना था बुला के ये पकाता है ना
वो काटा
पकाता है
ला उसका है क्यों उसे this is sugarcane steak sugarcane juice we are using any sugar it's made from this thing now I'm gonna throw this aside for the steak like you said people are working since 1.5 hours and people can work for 5 minutes also so it's a job this dude is working since sure आपका नाम क्या बता रही है so this show is working since last 1.5 hours and you can just watch this guy this party just watch that old man this fucking old man is working since last 2 hours this chain this child is you can just watch it he can work still more than after आप और कितने देर काम कर सकते हैं अजूता मैं कितनी बार काम कर सकता हूँ
अब टाइम पूरा
5 minutes he can work more 5 minutes if he can watch this thing I'm just throwing this stick outside of this truck oh my hands are paining this guy is working since 2 hours now let's talk about Vishal what do you say about this oh he has won the World War III oh I think he has won the World War you know what this guy this fucking bastard is working since last minute now also it seems like so exhausted so Mr. Vishal what do you want to say some few things about this thing just watch this ass just watch this ass last part let's move jump it so photo खाली पड़ ले